Hello YouTube, just was at the mail and got something from the Invisible Edge in the UK from Adam Perkins, invisibleedge.co. Anybody know what it is? With us Larry style. It's from if I can get it open. It's so troubled. Warranty. The Pierre lune. Little about the use and such. So Pierre lune, gorgeous to me, burgundy purpley, looks beautifully finished with one exception, that tiny scratch up there. There aren't sharpening there, but beautiful, feels very well polished. It came with a slurry stone. I'm mainly gonna use this for knives. I know that sounds weird, but I'm a knife sharpener more than I am a razor. This stone was sold as oil stone for knives, razors and tools. It's possible to use it with an abrasive mud, slurry and water. The stone will eventually turn from oil into water once cleaned, so it's probably finished with oil. A ratio of 30 strokes of slurry mud, 30 strokes of clear water and 30 strokes of oil or glycerin for a better finish. So it seems really fine. Love that stamp. I hope that won't go away. So pretty awesome. Damn, fine lady walking past. I hope this is a good one. It seems very beautifully finished and made. So when I get home, I'm gonna sharpen on this. Thanks for watching. Bye.